Hello everyone and welcome. Nice to see you again and hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I want to show you how to convert your PowerPoint presentations into a PDF. This is a great way to share your presentations with the audience without allowing them to modify the original presentations. It's also a great way to share your presentations on the web. So let's discover how to do that. Okay, so in order to convert the presentations into a PDF, you have many options. You have three options to count. So the first one is going to be heading over to the File tab and go all the way down until you find the Export section. Now here you will find the first option, which is Create PDF/XPS document. This is the options that we are looking for. So you have to click on this button, the Create PDF/XPS button, and it will give you or launch the Windows Explorer. Here you can specify the name of your PDF as well as where you wanna save it. Also, you have the Optimize for options. You have two options: the standard, which is going to create a high quality PDF, but it's also going to result in a PDF which is kind of large in its file size. The other option, minimum size, is going to create a smaller PDF in terms of size, but the quality is going to be a little bit low compared to the one created with the standard option. Okay, the next thing that you need to specify are the options. So we will click on the options, and here come up the options dialog box, which you can adjust in order to specify and adjust the end result or the end PDF that you are going to be getting. Okay, now for the range, here you can select which slides you want to add or you want to convert. Here we have the all. The current slide is going to be selecting or converting just one slide, which is the current one selected. Here you can see we have the one here highlighted and activated. This is going to select that, for example, and convert just that. The selection, on the other hand, is going to let you convert the selected slides. So if you go, for example, here and select by holding down the control, the 1 and 3 and 4, for example, and go back to File, Export, and then Create PDF. Now if you go ahead to the options, you have the selection option, which is not grayed out. You have seen previously that was grayed out because we didn't have multiple selections. Now if we take a look at that, it is available, and now we can create the PDF using or based on those selected slides. Here, the slides, we have a range that we can use. For example, we can specify a range from what we want to create the slide to whichever the end, for example, to whichever the end slide. But here we can't escape slides. If you want to skip slides, you have to do or to select the selection method that will allow you to select specific slides, but for here you have to select a specific range. For the publish options, you have many options right here. The slides is going to create a PDF containing each slide within a single page. So each slide is going to be represented with a page. The handouts, on the other hand, is going to create all the slides within one page. The notes page is going to create a slide within each page, as well as giving you the notes that were attached to that slide. And also we have the outline view. So if you adjust the settings, it is now just a matter of hitting the OK and hitting the publish, and it is going to create the PDF for you, and it will launch it so that you can see it. You can see now the PDF I was able to create with those settings that I have specified. I have now each page or each slide contained in a separate page in its own. So this looks great, and now I'm able to share this very easily with the audience and on the web. Okay, so the other way to convert a presentation or PowerPoint presentation to PDF is by heading to the File and Save As. Save As option, if we click on the Browse to specify the directory which I'm going to save that PDF in, if I go into Save As type, I have the option to convert or to switch over to the PDF. And here you can see that PowerPoint is giving me the same options that we were discussing previously, and that options dialog box as well. So this is another way to convert the PowerPoint presentations to a PDF. And lastly, we have the print section here. If we go to print, and here also we have the Microsoft Print to PDF. So this works if you have a printer and you want to print that to PDF. This also will let you create a PDF out of that. So this is the ways that I wanted to show you to convert the presentations to PDF. Now I will give you a bonus tip on how to email the PDF with just one click. Now this is going to be very handy and a good tip to save you some time. In order to do that, we will get access to the quick access toolbar. This is the topmost bar right here, and this is a tool that we will add to this quick access toolbar. Now this is not going to be there by default. We need to go in and choose the more commands, and from there we will switch the popular commands to all commands. And here you can see the all commands of PowerPoint, but this is going to be listed alphabetically by names. It is called the email as PDF. So this is the tool. We will click on that and add to the quick access toolbar and hit the OK. Now if we click on this button, here it is. We'll click on that. It is going to convert our presentations into PDF in one click and open up this interface right here where we can send the presentation as a PDF to everyone that we want. So this is gonna be very cool. So that's all there is to it for converting presentations into PDF and how to email them very quickly in just one click. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the new videos I put. So see you in the upcoming tutorial.